everyone, welcome back to Twister Sister Studios. We've been playing a lot of the new Zelda game. We really like the Zelda games. We did Breath of the Wild, now we're doing Tears of the Kingdom. It's a fun thing to do when we have free time, which is not really that often. But when we do play it, we enjoy it, and my kids really enjoy it as well. So they're all about the Mastersword. I figured I've got to make a balloon Mastersword. I'm sure there's other kids out there that would like to get a Mastersword balloon. So that's what we're going to be learning today. You're going to need 2 balloons to make the Mastersword. I've got a nice deep blue, which I've left about a 3-inch tail on here. And then I also have a reflex, or you can get a chrome silver, and I've just left like 1/2 inch on the end here. That's going to be the blade. And then if you've got a little bit of yellow 260 scrap in your pockets, you can use that. You can use the scrap left over from the owl we did last week, or just grab another yellow 260, and we'll put this on at the end for some finishing details. So I'm going to start off with the nice dark blue balloon here, and we're going to make that iconic shaped handle for the sword. So we're going to start off with just about a 1.5 to 2 inch bubble, fold it over, make another bubble the same size, and then you want to twist those two together by grabbing that nozzle and pushing it through your 2 bubbles to hold it in place. I'm going to put a small pinch twist here just to give it the shape that I want. Okay, and now we're going to come over about 1 inch, make a bubble, and we're going to put 2 pinch twists here. So 1, and squeeze it out, and the other pinch twist, 2. Okay, so you should have something like this. We're going to come down for the part of the handle that you hold on to. So I'm going to come down about 3 to 4 inches, big bubble. Do just a small round bubble, not a pinch twist. We're just going to leave it a bubble. We're going to come back into the middle part here with another bubble here, the same size as this long one. So you can measure that first or twist it right in, whatever you prefer. And we want to line it up like this. So this part is facing front to back instead of kind of being on the side. All right, and then we're going to finish off our remaining balloon. We're going to repeat this section over here. So a little small 1-inch bubble, a little pinch twist, and you're going to use the rest of your balloon to make these last 2 bubbles here. So try to get them the same size. And I'm going to have just enough here. I'm going to come out to the end here with my scissors and just cut a little hole in the end since it's pretty tight. And I'm going to let the air out until I have that last bubble that I need to be about the same size as the one beside it, and we're going to wrap it around, lock it in. Okay, so this kind of looks like the start of a little body or something for a person, but we're actually going to flip these sides so that these parts are facing up, and then you want your middle pinch twist here to be lined up so you have 1 on each side, front and back, and then these are facing up and out. All right, that's going to be our handle for our Mastersword. Next, you're going to take your silver balloon, and I think this would also be really cool. You could do like a light blue because the Mastersword can be light blue on the blade. It can even glow at times. So putting some neolunes or maybe even some long glow sticks in here would be a fun idea as well. I like silver, but it can be different colors. So make sure to ask the kids if they want it with a silver blade or a light blue blade. They'll know what they want. I'm going to take the nozzle of the silver. We're going to put it right up in the middle of these 2 center pinch twists. So make sure you've got it wrapped in there nice and tight so you have a good secure sword. And then we're going to fold our balloon in half, but you want this part to be a little bit less than this part. So we're going to have room to wrap this tail back into the blade or the handle there. So I'm going to come down to the middle point and make a twist there. And then we're going to spiral the whole length of this all the way till we get back up here to the handle. And that's where we're going to take the remaining tail and just wrap it around those 2 middle pinch twists. All right, straighten up your blade, make sure everything is arranged, and there you have a really cool looking Mastersword. It says Mastersword just by the shape of the handle, mostly in the colors, but if you want to take it up one more notch, add some little yellow details, and that'll just finish it off, and it'll really say Mastersword. So what I'm going to do is take this yellow 260, and I only need enough air in here for 2 bubbles. That's why it'd be great for using a scrap. And I'm just going to twist this guy in half. And I'm going to twist it a couple times so we kind of have a little bit of a long twisted section in between the bubbles just to give us some extra wiggle room. We're going to take both ends up together, tie them in a nice double knot. Make sure it's a good tight double knot so it doesn't come undone, because we are going to be cutting off both of these tails. And then you're going to take these balloons from one twist to the other. We're going to squeeze those together and twist those 2 yellow balls around so you get 2 pinch twists. And these are going to come on the handle right above your blue twist, or your blue pinch twist on either side. So I'm just going to take this yellow and we're going to wrap it in there. And there you have your finished Mastersword. I know the little yellow detail could be kind of like, I don't want to do it, I'm in a really fast moving event, and that's fine. I think this says Mastersword just by the shape and the colors alone, but adding that little touch of yellow just really finishes it off, I think, and just adds a little detail that looks great on both sides, front and back. And it's just a really nice, fun sword for any Zelda fan. I think they will love this. But let me know what you think in the comments. Are you a big Zelda fan? And do you think this looks like the Mastersword? Would you make any changes to this design? Would you level it up, change the colors? Let's see your Masterswords. We've got a free Facebook group, and that is the best place to post pictures of your work for our weekly tutorials. So let us know how you would change the Mastersword, or if you make it just like this, we want to see how yours comes out. So that's where you can post your photos, and we can all see what everyone's working on this week. And if making stuff like this at parties and then watching kids' faces light up when they receive something that you made with your own 2 hands sounds like a really enjoyable job, it's because it is. And if you want to turn this into a fun job as well, then you might want to check out the Twister Hood. It is a membership program that I created just for balloon twisters who are looking to elevate their balloon business, or maybe start one for the first time ever. It's got all the resources, graphics, downloads, templates, members only tutorials, clip art, everything you could possibly need to run your balloon business so that you can focus on doing parties and let me handle all the tech and design stuff, because I'm pretty good at that. I put everything I need for my own business in there for my members to use as well. So it's just a wealth of resources, and we'd love to have you join us. Let me know what balloon animal or design you'd like to see in next week's tutorial. I'll be hanging out in our free Facebook group, seeing what you guys are creating. Until next week when we come back for another Tutorial Tuesday. Have a great week, everyone. Bye.